I'm working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and today I'm going to be installing a short throw shifter. The car currently has 332,686 miles on it, and I got a shifter assembly from a wrecking yard, so the car won't have to be down. And all you have to do when you install it in the car is put the shift cables here, thread them through there, make sure the car is in neutral when you both remove it and when you reinstall it, and then push down. So I'm going to do that outside the car, and then when I install it in the car, it's just super easy. So there is a big difference between the Chevy Cobalt SS shifter unit and the regular Chevy Cobalt. This is for the F35 transmission. For the regular Cobalt, they're staggered, where you connect the shift cables, whereas the SS, they're both the same distance. It has a different mechanism and lockout for the reverse as well. So the short throw shifter for the SS won't fit in the regular LS or LT model shifter. So first thing I'm going to do is disassemble the SS shifter, and to remove the shift knob, you take a little screwdriver or pry tool and pry underneath the black part of the shifter assembly, and then it takes a T20 Torx bit. And then these are just pressed on. It's just pressed on, and then it has a spring and a sponge. And you can remove the reverse lockout and the shift boot, which has a little zip tie. Then we have to remove the shifter, and that takes a T20 as well. And there's 4 of them. And if you can see on the bottom, the shifter linkage is meant to have the releases on the top, and this one here mounts in the side, and on the new one I got, the attachment point is on the bottom. So I'm actually going to use this from the LS, and that's just going to push on the bottom. And then the linkage just pops off. This just pushes out through the center here, and it has these rubber pieces that kind of stretch a little bit. You gotta line up. Where it goes through. Then it just pops off. You're going to reuse this on the new shifter. There. It's going to go like that. And then we got to put the plastic piece over, so we got to disassemble the new short shifter. And to do that, to remove this, you have to, there's lockout. First lockout, you got to remove a steel pin. which I already did. Plastic piece back over. Reinstall the 4 T20 bolts. Now I'm going to reinstall. So like I said, the original connector that connects the shift linkage is different for this style shifter. Unfortunately, I have another one from LS, which is just going to pop on the bottom. Install the reverse lockout. Shift knob. One last thing. So this boot's in pretty bad shape, so I'm not going to use this one. I do have one on order, but until I get the one that I have on order back, I'm going to install just one I have laying around. This is a high quality aluminum. Really nice shifter. Alright, there we go. And the easy part is putting this in the car. There's just four nuts you remove, and then you pop these caps off that hold your shift cable in there. push it in there, and that's all there is to it. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be including a clip of when I pulled this shifter assembly from a Chevy Cobalt SS in the wrecking yard.